What is poppin'? What is good? We're back at it with another natural hair content. Natural hair chronicles are back with me detangling my hair. This is a finished. This is what my hair is looking like after I wash my hair. I had to wash after my latest natural hair video. That hairstyle only stayed in for a week, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But y'all have been, I told y'all I was gonna give y'all this video. So here it is, how I maintain my hair, detangle, all of that. I had twisted my hair when I conditioned, and I just unraveled it, and this is how it's looking. But now I'm finna part this section off. I'm finna part of my hair off. Get a scrunchie. And cut to the side. I'm gonna work on the back portion first. I need more than some 2 scrunchies, but it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna work on this whole section right here. I should go get my clip, but when you don't want to, all you have to do is pin it up to another tie. And it still has conditioner in it. Didn't know that, but it's okay. Still smooth, not damp all the way. We're getting our Y2 comb and coming from the root all the way down. And it should be pretty much detangled. When I condition my hair, I also detangle when I put the conditioner in. So just trying to stretch it out some more. Make sure all the detangles are out. Back portion is really light when I do my hair because I really can't see where the part is. I'm not trying to grab no more other hair. Trying to keep it moist, not too dry. You see my product stand is right here. This is my setup. Mainly after all I do my wash days. If you haven't seen that or you want to see how I do my washes, I have a video on that. The playlist, Natural Hair Chronicles, will be in the archives above. But I have my Wild Growth Hair Oil, which is almost empty, so I gotta get some more. And Blue Magic Hair Grease. There's nothing wrong with using grease on your hair. I don't know who brought that up, that you can't use grease on your hair. And then I'm gonna just twist this section back up. I would use a wrap, but to stretch it some more for the back, I twist it. And it also won't dry out as quickly. Little back portion is done. Now I grab the section I put in the wrap and continue doing my hair. So the first process of maintaining my hair is just to detangle it all. Yep, this one. Yep, I'm not going real rough or not too easy because I know my hair is already tangled. Just trying to make sure. If I do come across any knots, try to get it out. And then just comb the ends out. But you do not want no naps at your root. That's why I comb from the roots to my ends and not from my ends to the root. And when I'm detangling, process that I did before, I untwist that and comb it together But yeah, I had to do something to my hair because yesterday I had to go to church. Hair was looking okay, but a little hot mess as well. So glad we had today off, Monday, so I can do my hair because I hate doing my hair on a school day, which I have been lately, doing my hair on Wednesdays. Just going through and finger detangle a little bit. You can see that nothing came out my hair onto my hands, so that's good. Let's twist that back up. Now we can come to the front side. These parts are not even at all whatsoever. Sometimes you might have to get little pieces of hair to go with that section you're detangling. Right now I'm not worried about the sectioning. Coming out real smooth. My curls are looking good. Also, one thing I'm glad that I didn't have a lot to do today. But yeah. When I'm done, I really need to figure out what hairstyle I'm going to do. That's one thing. I can wash my hair and stuff and still don't know what hairstyle I'm going to do. That's the one thing I don't like is what hairstyle am I going to do? Twist, braid, a natural hairstyle really, or a protective style. But I just got done with doing twist and braid, so I'm not trying to put them back in my hair. So I'm going to come detangle this section out, and I'm gonna be back with y'all. Just gonna pin this to the side. Now we're on to the other half of our head. The process of me detangling my hair gets crazy, having buns and twists everywhere. But I still have my towel because my hands do get slippery. See them curls are nice and tight, strunk version of my curls though.
It's just too hard to move, and it right there.
So this is all the hair that came out when I detangled. Just strands. And this is what my hair looks like when it's stretched out, detangled. Well, fluffy. Looks a little even. I really don't know why. But now we can get into greasing our scalp. This is the second part of my detangling. So as I said before, it's all about your part. So this is one part of it come in handy sometimes, but I'm just parting off the back of my head as best as possible and pinning the front up. Don't put nothing in the sink yet. So sorry for the noise in the back, but this is how the part is looking. Looking like it's good enough, straight for me. Right there. But we're gonna get our grease, and it's still full, surprisingly. And just put on the part as best as I can. I know I just put on a bunch of hair. We'll try to feel first and spray on both sides, trying to put enough but not too much. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the comb to just draw that down to my hair. And that's good enough for that part. I'm gonna also section it down the middle, holding this out with my chin. Just remove and put right there. Take half of the half section, grease that some more. And then we're going to the other side. Over here. And grease. Put it on that part. And smoothing it into our hair. Oh. Greasing your hair helps when you're about to do like mini braids on your hair or twist. It could be mini twist or regular twist. It helps with greasing your hair first. I like to do my twist like that. I know I don't have a video on my twist, but I have done a twist before. Take a twist out. But if y'all want that video when I do my twist the next time, I will have that up for y'all. I'm just gonna pin it to the back. Try to stretch it out some more. And probably best to go across the ear as possible. So y'all can see on this side of my hair, it's good enough parted. So that's what I'm gonna work with. Just that. I'm not gonna fix it. Oh, well, on this side is a little messy, but if you want to fix it with my hand, I'm going to just go down, ear to ear, put that on, ear to ear. You can still do the 4 sections by detangling the process I do with the 4 sections. I have resection your hair off. Now we're on this side. Okay, I'm done with all of it. Now with my whole head, the detangling process. Real simple, not really time consuming. Probably took 30 minutes. Or under 30 minutes to detangle. It did not take 30 minutes. But now I'm just going in and combing my hair out, making sure there's no more tangles in my hair. Not really naps, but going through. In this process, I am going fast or rough on my hair. So that is the end my process, detangling my hair, my chain, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm finna style it. See where I'm gonna style it. But it's very much dry now, so I'm gonna have to use my curling cream, probably some gel too, for my style. But before we end today's video off, hope you enjoy it first of all. But make sure you like,